Okay, made some changes to the design. Managed to find a panel refrigerator, so I popped that in there. Most counter depth refrigerators are 84 inches tall. You might find one that is a more standard 70 inches tall, but they're usually 84 inches tall, so I had to eliminate the upper cabinet. There'll just be a flat panel there. But depending on what you select for a counter depth panel ready refrigerator, we'll have to react to that. We have a pantry with rollout shelves, 4 of them. Rollout shelves behind these 2 doors. Working drawer. Crown molding going in the ceiling. The island, cabinet with rollout trays, working drawer. Cabinet with rollout trays, working drawer. Microwave cabinet, microwave of some sort, and then a drawer underneath. We've got legs supporting the seating area of the island. We've got wainscot around the island and 3 sides. The space between these 2 posts is 18 inches. The space between here and here is 30 inches. Got another base cabinet with rollout trays and a working drawer. Got a Super Susan in the corner. Panel ready dishwasher. Various wall cabinets. Double pull-out trash. Bank of 4 drawers, bank of 4 drawers. I put some floating shelves. Maybe just need 1 floating shelf here and here. Might want to eliminate this, the second one. Or you don't have to have the floating shelves at all. Totally up to you. For the fun of it, let's hit the color button. And it gives you kind of a realistic look as to what the cabinetry could look like. I kind of guessed on the countertop you probably want something on the lighter side. Take another look this way. Spin it around this way. And I also came up with some pricing for planning purposes. So using a Star Mark cabinetry, which is really the best cabinet I offer, a flush inset door. I think you know what that means. But if you don't, then you can certainly Google it. But I can show you pictures. It resembles the photo you showed me in my office on Saturday. Alder wood, some sort of stain, we'll call it oregano. 5-piece drawer fronts instead of flat drawer fronts. All plywood, dovetail drawers, full extension concealed soft close guides for the drawers, soft close concealed hinges on the doors. Current manufacturer's sale price, just shy of $21,000. Without the sale, a little over $27,000. Good through February 2021. This is the range for the countertop. It's a mid-range price. Can you spend less? Yep. Can you spend more? Sure. You'll likely need 2 slabs because you have around 61 square feet of countertop. If you wanted to include a backsplash, I would do that even if you're considering tile, because it makes a nice buffer behind the sink, and then you won't have to wash the grout line, but that's your preference. There's the pricing roughly for backsplash. Cabinet install. Remove and dispose of your existing cabinets and countertops. This gives you a rough idea for plumbing. What I do for plumbing is charge time and material plus 10%. So you'll get to look at the plumber's invoice, and then I charge 10% on top of that to manage the plumber. I do the same thing for electrical. And then again, this is a little broader range because electrical can be a little more difficult to figure. And I know we haven't talked much about electrical. This is a sink, a good one. Some other items you're going to probably need is certainly a faucet, knobs and pulls. I'll install the knobs and pulls for you as long as you provide them. Appliances, new window, and new floor. So we could add these numbers up if you wanted to. Okay, this kind of adds things up a bit, roughly. So these are the items that I can handle. That's what this all adds up to. These items I generally don't handle. Not my expertise. The new window is not my expertise. New floor is not my expertise. But I try to give you some kind of figure. I mean, this could be anywhere. And I don't know what you have in mind for appliances, but you can figure that. So these are the items that I can take care of. Again, this is for planning purposes only. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions about the design, we probably will further tweak it a little bit, but maybe it's 90% there. I welcome your feedback.